your Precision 18 forecast. News 18. Weather from where you live.
Right, here's the storm system we are tracking for this weekend. That'll bring the cold air as we get into early next week. It's an Alberta Clipper system. It'll dive southeastern, and with it, a couple isolated showers, and then a period of some snow coming up on Monday. And the cold will only strengthen as the remnants of at least one typhoon moves up towards Alaska, carving this big trough right here in the Bering Sea and also around Siberia and western Alaska. And with that, a big ridge in the western U.S. And as this surges northward, we bump a chunk of bitterly cold air southward into our area. So lows tonight, 20 to 25 will do it for everybody, then rising a little bit late. Tomorrow's going to end up being a windy day, mostly cloudy in the morning, then a period where it clears out, and then we'll see some increasing clouds again late. Even though the high's 48, it's going to feel more like around 40 due to the strong winds gusting more than 30 miles at times from the southwest, with 45 to 50 degrees doing it viewing area wide. And everywhere you go, it's going to feel about 8 or 10 degrees colder than the actual air temperature. On Sunday, not a lot of wind in the morning to very early afternoon hours as we warm to 51 with a lot of clouds. But then the cold front comes through. We drop to 40 by 5. The wind really starts to crank up from the north. Could have a couple isolated showers, a little patchy drizzle as the front comes through. Wind chills dropping to 31 by 5 with highs anywhere from about 45 to 56 as the temperatures will be dropping northwest to southeast during the day. 18 Precision Cast shows the mostly cloudy skies for late tonight and tomorrow morning. Then the sun comes out quite a bit for a while. Then some increasing clouds tomorrow evening. We go mostly cloudy tomorrow night. It's rather gray on Sunday. The cold front comes through. Couple isolated showers, a patchy drizzle with that late in the day. And then generally between about 6 a.m. and 2 p.m. on Monday, a period of some snow will pass through. This is 9 o'clock in the morning. And this is 1 p.m. It begins to exit with just a couple lake effect snow flurries behind that. And with the snow, a lot of wind too. First of all, notice all the wind tomorrow. Winds gusting more than 30 at times. Winds diminish a little bit for part of Sunday. Then they crank up Sunday evening, Sunday night. It is windy on Veterans Day with some snow around. Winds gusting more than 30 miles an hour. Winds gusting more than 30 at times early Tuesday morning. When you've got a temperature of 14, wind chills near 0. So for Veterans Day, that period of snow with some very minor accumulation, 1 inch or less is possible. So the grass may be whitened. We may have a few slick spots, specifically on bridges and overpasses and secondary roads, with 28, 27 at noon and down to 26 by 4 p.m. Normal high is 55 degrees, but way below that on Monday into Tuesday, near record cold daytime and nighttime. 32 on Wednesday. Brief warm up on Thursday. Then we chill back to 35 on Friday. But once we get beyond next weekend, we've got a brief surge of pretty potent warmer weather just after the midpoint of November, where we could actually see 50s and 60s for a couple of days, but also we'll get some rain then too.
Boy,
Jeff.
That's raw right there.
It
Okay,
is,
thanks,
yeah.
Chad. President